and this word was used first in that movie. In Hindi, it was used first there. Then what happened? And British Council has considered this word as a new word of Hindi, and it is not even used in English. So they have made a new word and they have used makeshifter word. Even I was so confused a few days back to get to know the main word of it, which I was using is as alternate or different changes, modifications, but I was not getting an exact word. And later on, I got to know that there is exact word that is found out by British Council after listening that word from a movie, that cooking movie.
But ma'am,
So this is
Anita ji also sent.
It's word
Anita ji
jugaad.
also sent the word, correct word.
huh, really? Do send me that
Yes,
also
ma'am.
Hmm.
because
In the
this
group,
word I
in the
have,
group also, in the group.
huh. Actually, I have seen this word after going through a lot of research of British Council. Then I got to know about it. So
Ma'am,
makeshifter
which
was a
word
word that
we are talking about? Pardon, ma'am,
we're
which
talking
word?
about. That in Hindi we have that जुगाड़ word, no?
Jugaad. Jugaad.
कि कोई ना कोई नया
Hmm.
नया कोई काम ढूंढ लेते हैं
And
या
in English,
alternate ढूंढ लेते हैं या
what it is in
कोई
English?
in makeshifter that I have seen. I really want to know that Anita ji has also found out a word for it. Anita ji, what was that word?
Ma'am, I didn't remember. I also want a question. How to memorize this vocab, ma'am? I always
Very good question.
forgot.
Very good. And I forgot to tell all of you a few days back, it was running in my mind that you all need to do one thing. Do you people write captions? Do you know what are captions? You all know, I guess. Captions पता होंगे कि जैसे आप लोग WhatsApp पे लिख देते हो या फिर on your FB,
Mm-hmm.
on your Insta, you write captions. Use those vocabulary there. Or
Okay.
try to make sentences. If you do not, if you're not so active on social media, most of the people are not. So try to use them in your sentences and in your paragraphs the way we are using. For an example, right now, जैसे अभी आप book कर रहे थे लेटर, so it would be really better that flip your pages and try to fix a word. कोई भी एक word को fix करने का try करो. Even if you have to frame the sentence according to that word, try to do it, and you will learn that word. Captions से तो
Ma'am, when we
definitely
want to say maybe, me too, है ना? Then we use TOO2 or TO2?
TOO.
TOO2.
TOO.
TOO.
Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, and yesterday I watched a movie, Dhoka,
Mhm.
and in that movie I heard a new word and I liked that word. I want to share to all of you. Imposter, dhongi,
Yes.
dhokebaj.
Yes. We have
I
actually
like
said
that
this
word,
word.
imposter.
Behutia.
Heroine
Behutia.
said
We
that
call it
my
behutia.
husband is an
Imposter.
imposter.
Yes. That is the best. The subtitles help you a lot to improve your vocabulary.
Yes, ma'am. In
Subtitles is the
subtitle, I
best.
read that word and I liked that
Yes,
word,
ma'am. I
imposter,
also,
because
Sanvi,
it's a very easy word, no? And
Uh,
Ma'am, the word of meaning English of jugaad is improvisation.
yes,
Improvisation.
Improvisation. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll
actually,
search.
ma'am, yes, ma'am.
We'll
This is
search.
Improvised.
Anita ji said.
In B.Ed course,
Hmm.
we have a chapter, improvised apparatus. In this chapter, um, we learn to make apparatus by wastage things and available things.
Mm-hmm.
So
So it's
it means
called
jugaad.
Jugad.
We jugaad,
Jugad.
Jugaad.
improvise.
Mm-hmm.
Improvisation.
Okay, thank you for telling me that word also because this was the word that I have researched a lot and then I got to know about it.
Ma'am, I also learned today one new word, refugee. Sanvi told me, please, mama, search meaning of refugee. Refugee means
Huh.
शरणार्थी.
Yes. This how, acha, there is a movie, if you people have the
There
time.
is a movie,
Yes, yes.
Refugee.
Refugee.
Our movies learn a lot. If
Haan.
if
Ma'am, you can
you see
suggest any
movies
movie.
daily, different types of movies.
Haan. Absolutely
Ma'am, if
right.
you
Acha,
can
but
suggest any movie in
I was
English.
about to come on that only.
Huh.
Not in English, but I'm not going to give you an example or any related to that. But there is a movie in Hindi. And do read the subtitles of it. I have actually found out the best movie it as yet for the subtitles. It is Ram Setu.
Ram
Yes,
Subtitles,
yes.
Setu.
awesome vocabulary was there as subtitles. I think it is on Amazon Prime. If you people have the package or anything, just go for it. Just watch that movie. Is also interesting, of course. And second thing, the subtitles are really amazing. The vocabulary is something different. I have watched it few days back, like 10 days ago. So I've come up with this idea that I would tell all of you. Okay, so please watch
Mama,
that movie
now
and
I
do
am
read.
watching Baby Boss uh, on
Okay.
Netflix, and I completed first season, and I
Hmm.
reduced the speed of movie,
Hmm.
and then I read the subtitle
One
easily,
more
and
thing. Hmm. One more
Okay,
thing that
we should uh, lower the speed. We can
yeah,
yes, yes,
okay.
yes.
we can reduce or increase the decrease or increase the speed in any movie.
Please, right.
Uh, uh,
I don't know about this. I know that we can increase the speed, but
no, we can
decrease.
decrease. Whenever you click the option of speed, na, then normal speed,
Mm-hmm.
upper side of speed, then decrease 0.25 point,
Point.
and
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
you can
There is also
decrease the
there
speed
is
of.
You can do
the
also
movie
in
is
slow
not.
motion.
It
And
is a
my
good
baby
option. I
boss
can
is
know
very
about this.
cute, and when he speaks slowly, then it become more cute. So it not become boring.
It
Sometimes
becomes
if we
cuter.
decrease the speed, then it became boring, no? But baby boss,
Yes.
oh, he is very cute. It
One
has
more thing,
six
try
seasons.
not to go for Hollywood movies. Do not watch right now because the accent is something that initially you won't be able to understand and you would get confused. The
Hmm.
best part of watching Bollywood series or web series is that you would be able to understand the language of it, subtitles
Hmm.
of it, and even if it's in Hindi. Yes, there are few of the web series. There was a web series I do remember, um, in which English was used at a, what was the name? They were speaking in English very well. It was related to wedding planners.
Madam, Mad in Heaven.
Yes, absolutely right. Made in heaven.
I
Oh,
watched that
Mamita,
series.
you watch.
Absolutely right. Made in heaven. It is.
I Anita ji, I have Amazon Prime, so Sony Live, and Netflix, and Z5, and
Uh,
Hotstar.
But
I
Namita,
have
you
also
said
this.
you are a
I
reader
have
and you
also,
like
but
books.
I
Both
have
things
all these,
actually.
but I
No,
didn't get
actually,
time.
I subscribe all at one time. Just say in this month I have subscribed Netflix. My daughter gave me, na?
Okay.
And after 1 month I subscribed another, and that time I watched all new. Matlab
And
you if you
we are
want
in
to
joint family.
watch any
Uh,
web series, you can call me. I will help you to select.
subscription.
With
there is
better
one.
reviews.
Uh,
With
If you
no,
people,
we
if
are
you people are not going
we are
to
many
include
members.
your
So
children around you, if you're not going to include your children around you, this is a very good web series. This is my personal
actually
viewpoint,
that
just to increase
that
your
web series has
vocabulary.
ma'am, actually
adult
problem
content
is that
also included
Ah,
children
yes,
around us.
content, so you can't watch with
you
your
won't watch
kid.
it. Huh.
Hmm.
Made in Heaven and one more is there. Four more shots, please. In that also, the language, the English
Yes, ma'am.
language is used very well.
Uh,
English language, the way they are speaking, no, I must say their language, their vocabulary is very
four
official.
four four
Four more
friends.
shots, please.
I
Four
also
friends are
watched
there.
that
The
four
language,
short
if we
motion.
consider the language, if we consider the way they are speaking, the way they are presenting their words or sentences, it is really good to watch it up. Try not to just watch it with your, of course, with your kids. But yes, for an adult person, it is a good movie, and the words, the vocabulary, and the sentences are really spoken fluently by them. And there is one character in that movie. I do not remember the girl, but she is a journalist. The way she has presented as a personality with her speaking skills, you must watch it. These are two most best movies,
Ma'am,
not
one
most best.
one is who has a daughter. That lady
Hmm.
also played very well, na?
Yes, the lawyer
Uh, the
who was
lawyer.
an advocate.
Was
Yes,
lawyer,
right.
and she has a
Yes. Yeah, few of the movies are really, you can say that you cannot talk about the adult content, but yes, you can talk about, they are very encouraging also. It is all about women empowerment and you must watch it. It is a very candid movie. You people should watch it up, and besides the language that is used in English, I really
ma'am. What do you mean by
appreciate
candid?
Ma'am, the
whatever
slang,
candid.
I don't know what to say, the slangs or what. Gotta, we gotta do this, gotta
Mm-hmm.
GOTTA or
Gotcha. Gotcha.
gotcha.
Do not go for it. Do not go for it. Do not just try not to
These are
even
not
read them out. No, no, no. These are slangs first, and these are for those teenagers and who are really active on social media. Let them do it. Let them
Ma'am, you
be.
use that word, na? Candidate. Yeah, you used the
Candid.
candid.
Candid. Frank. Frank. Up.
What do you mean by candid?
Frank. Frank.
Ma'am, please
Movie strip.
send all words in group.
Huh. Yes, I have written two of the words.
and please
Patent. I
also
have
send
written.
the answers, the
Pardon?
exercise
Oh, I'm not.
and
Oh my God, I'm not checking. I'm
Exercise.
really sorry. I forgot it. I'm genuinely sorry, Shita.
and
I've
the
not checked
second
it.
exercise I am not able to do that. The second
No
exercise.
problem. It was a typical exercise. It was not an easy exercise to be done, but definitely I'll be checking it up today itself. Okay, I assure you.
That is
And
very
one more thing.
sincere for homework.
Ah, I can see that. Yes, very sincere. One more thing. Huh. Today, what topic have we discussed? Only that, no?
Ma'am,
In the simple past
Only
tense.
beauty is
just
the
said
eye.
that.
Beauty is
Huh.
on the
Beauty
in
is
the
the eye
eye.
of
If
beholder.
possible, yes, if possible, try to write, or you can do the speaking activity also, the way Namita ji and Anita ji sent the audio. You can send me that too. Either write it down or speak it up. Just try to send
Shall
me
I
an
speak,
audio
ma'am,
first.
now? Only
Oh,
few
Neeta ji
minutes,
has not
2 minutes more.
spoken. Yes, yes, please, please. I forgot that you have not spoken. Please, please continue.
Yes, ma'am. Beauty is the eye of the beholder. It is true because if you are beautiful in the soul by the soul, so you feel all things
Hmm.
beautiful. And I can give you a example. In the
An
judge's
example.
eyes, an example in the judge's eyes, there is a eye of eye no beauty. There is a eye. Beauty is the eye of beholder because he should not be afraid to say that true, and the true is the that beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
Um, Neeta ji, please tell me what statement did you want to say? Because I could not
मैम
understand it.
आई वांट टू से दैट जजेस डरता नहीं है सच बोलने से बिकॉज उसकी आंखों में ब्यूटी है, सुंदरता है. ठीक है.
Okay,
हम्म.
okay. A judge is not scared to tell
हम्म.
the truth, and then what was then because he has
He has
beauty in his
beauty is
eyes.
in the eye of beholder.
Beholder is something that who the person who is looking at the other person, जो दूसरे की तरफ देख रहा है, वो क्या beholder है?
हम्म. हम्म.
Or
We
you can say that.
we can say beauty is the eye of judges.
Yes,
Hmm.
yes. Then you can use it like that. Yes, because or you can say that beauty lies in the eyes of the judge, as
Hmm.
judge is also called as beholder here.
Yes.
क्योंकि आप जज को ही beholder कह रहे हो ना, then for explanation you can add this
Hmm.
line.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, try to write it down or do the speaking activity on it. Okay. Enough for
Okay,
today.
ma'am.
Bye. Good
Thank you.
afternoon.
Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Thanks, ma'am. Good afternoon.